Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and these are the features and sound of Recirculate from Newfangled Audio. Recirculate is a feedback echo effect audio plugin with loads of extra processors in the loop for lots of delay design fun. I'm using it today to take a very basic upright piano part and to give it some fantastic ethereal trails behind it for a lot more interest. Right at the top of Recirculate, I've got the library. There are tons and tons of presets to choose from down here. Loads and loads and loads. And you can just filter those just by clicking certain tags to get to where you want to be. And I also like these buttons up here, so you can get the mix controls and the echo controls or the tone control to persist, so you can flick through all of your presets without losing those essential settings up there. Got a few favourites here. Absolutely loving those. And then below that we have some familiar controls for tempo and several different modes as well here. And my stem display shows me what each of my repeats is doing. So just at the top I've got left, and at the bottom I've got right. But the less standard things that you can do in Recirculate are the processors in the feedback loop. So we have 3 dynamics processors here, and compress is really useful because you can have dense repeats that just fall off or otherwise change the envelope of what's going on. Ducking, also very useful. I can just turn up my return so I can get some denser sounds which then just swell into place in between hits or phrases or words. So back it comes. Recirculate also allows me to dial in some extra character into my trails. Different modes. What's really cool is if you use the granular mode, then that changes some of the soundstage controls. So the spread control, that does a left-right delay time offset, so slightly tweaks what you have dialed in the time constants above. Spray introduces randomization to the granular selection, and the size changes the length of those grains. And pull that back. So entirely different effects there, just using the soundstage control. And in standard behaviour, I get my chorus back. Just a real nice amount of shimmer going on there. I'm also using Recirculate on my tambourine, just to take a simple tambourine recording and turn it into something really over the top with some nice ping pong stuff going on. those are the features and sound of Recirculate from Newfangled Audio. Creative delay design for your DAW. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.